Hello there and welcome to the Card Grotto. Today I've got the new release from Clearly Besotted to share with you. All of these items will be available to purchase today. That is the 1st of June 2020 at 8 PM British Summer Time. You can purchase them from the Clearly Besotted shop and also from Simon Says Stamp. So as I usually do, I'm going to share the new release with you and also the samples that I have made. So first of all, this is the To the Moon and Back set. Absolutely adorable. I apologise that this whole release is absolutely adorable, so you're going to hear that word a lot, and cute and things like that, so I do apologise in advance. But this is To the Moon and Back stamp set, and there's all these adorable little critters here in their kind of helmets and spacesuits and things like that. There's the moon there, and you can have the bear or the bunny sitting on the moon, which is really cute. You've also got like a string there, and they can hang from the moon as well. As I said, there's lots of ones kind of like in space suits, and like the raccoon jumping and the fox jumping. Got little kind of movement marks and things like that, which is really cute. The sentiments read: EXO hugs, yippee, wish upon a star, to infinity and beyond, woo, and love you to the moon and back. This is the card that I made using that set. I thought it'd be really cute to have the bunny there sitting on the moon. Stamped out the bunny first with the little shooting star there, masked them off, and then stamped the moon behind so that the bunny was sitting on the moon as one piece. And then I stamped out these clouds. These are from the Balloon Bunch Backdrops set, and then just did some ink blending in the background, added a bit of shimmer spritz to that. I don't know how well you can see that on screen. Added a few Lucy's jewels, and then the sentiment there is from the next set that I'm going to share with you. So this is the Picture It Space set, and this is a really great set that would accompany the other set really well. So this is the sentiment that I used on that set, on that card, excuse me, and that's Wish Upon a Star. And then there's also Have a Blast and Love You to the Moon and Back. And then you get this really fun backdrop here with the large moon, the rocket and the flag, and then also all of these planets. So this is all one stamp here. So you can just stamp that, be ready to go and have a lovely space card. But you can mask off elements as well if you wanted to, like the planets and things like that. That's what I did for my project, but like I said, it's all ready to go if you wanted to just use it as one. And so for my little project here, I just created a little tag. I stamped out that image there and just masked off the planets as I was doing it. And so I could just add in some more stars there and just had the rocket and kind of like the flag hanging off the edge. And then it stamped out the little kitty there from the To the Moon and Back set. Added some crystal glaze onto the helmet so it looked like he was in a little shiny kind of space helmet there as well. Just added some twine at the top of the tag there and coloured the background with Copic markers. Next up are actually two sets, and this is the As Cute As ABC, and then there's set 1 and 2. So this is set 1, and you've got letters from A to M, and all of them have these cute little critters on them. So there's the ducks or the chicks, or I think you could probably have them as roosters as well, and then the little cats, the little bunnies, and then also the puppies as well. And then on each of the sets there's lots of accompanying little images. So you've got like paintbrushes and strawberries, party hats and pencils, cute little high sentiment there, and the hello there as well. I love that Clearly Besotted just add in lots of little elements just to make up the stamp set, to use all of the extra little space as well, which is really great. So you could use them on a multitude of different sets, but obviously they work really well with these little ones as well, and you can kind of have the party hat on top of the little critters. And then this is the ABC set 2, As Cute As ABC set 2, and then this is from the letter N to Z, and again you've just got all of these cute little extra elements and all of the cute critters on top of the letters. These remind me of kind of like the bubble letters that I used to write when I was at school. I don't know if everyone does that around the world, but I used to write all my kind of titles and things at school with kind of like these bubble letters, and I know that Karen, I've seen a card made and she added little balloon strings onto the bottom of them. I think they definitely look like they could be balloons, and that was a really cute idea. And so this is the card that I made using both of those sets together. It is very simple, however it did take me some time to cut out all of these letters. I picked the longest words I could possibly think of, but I thought it'd be quite nice. It made quite a big impact to have the happy birthday. So obviously I combined the two sets to be able to get all of the alphabet that I needed. I just added that onto a card. I did add some kind of scored lines. I don't know if you'll be able to see that on camera, but I thought it made a cute card, and it was quite bright and happy with all those little critters there as well. Coloured those in with Copic markers and fussy cut those out and popped them onto the card with foam tape. And then next up is the cute as 1, 2, 3. So you've got all of the numbers here from 0 to 9. There's an ampersand and a hashtag, and then there's the th and and st for like first, second, third, fourth kind of thing. So they can accompany the letters really nicely. And again, there's loads of accompanying images like the heart and the bow tie, the star there, a pirate hat, kind of like a fairy tale hat, a little ghost there, an elf hat, kitten ears, which is really cute, that can add on to any of the critters, or again any other critters from different sets as well. And for this I just made a little tag. I thought it would be quite cute, just did some little ink blending in the background, added the 4 and the th for 4th birthday, coloured in the cute little kitty there at the top, and then the sentiments there are from a set that you can receive if you purchase the bundle. So if you purchase all of the stamp sets together in a release bundle, you get this set for free, and they've just got lovely bold sentiments there that you can mix and match with the different kind of alphabet sets or the number set, or again any other set you wanted to. I love that Clearly Besotted sets, they all kind of work together, which is really nice. So lots of different sentiments, and again you receive this for free if you purchase the release bundle. Next up is the As Cute As Can Be set, and this really is as cute as can be. So you've got all, again, these really adorable critters, the puppy, the chick or the duck there, the kitten and the bunny. And there's ones with images and there's also ones without it, like other images doing lots of different things. So you can add and mix and match those to your heart's desire. There's ones with a little bunny with a star, the kitty with the cake there, the puppy with the heart, the kitty with the Halloween pumpkin, and the duck with the Easter egg, and the little kitten again with the cupcake. And then there's like a Halloween broomstick and the Halloween witch's hat, little Easter egg, a present, a Christmas tree, and then a little pencil and flower and just movement marks, and the cute little sentiments: hi, yay, ha, exo and celebrate. Just an absolutely adorable set. And this is the card that I made using that set. I used the tiled stencil in the background and just added in 4 of those squares with some ink blending there, and then cut out and obviously stamped, coloured, cut out the cute little kittens. I decided to just keep it all with the kittens, but obviously you can mix and match the different animals if you wanted to. And for this little kitten here, this one was actually the kitten that's added to the cupcake, and I just masked off the cupcake to have that one, and I thought it would look really cute sort of hanging from this sentiment there. And that sentiment is from the A Little Sentimental set, just heat embossed that, and these kittens are just absolutely adorable. And then last but not least is the Love Note set. All of these cute little elephants with their writing apparatus. You've got the one with the quill there, the one with the paintbrush, the pencil, the crayon or another pencil, fountain pen, and the kind of marker pen there with the lid of the marker pen, which is really cute. Some ink splashes, a pencil in a pot, and then the sentiments are: big hugs, hi, thanks a lot, hello, how are you, hey you, miss you lots. Just a note to say I'm thinking of you and I'm here if you need me. So these are really great set to be able to send little notes to people, especially at this time we're going through at the moment, just to let them know that you're thinking of them and you're hoping that they're well. I just think it's an absolutely adorable set. And this is the card that I made using that set. Kept it very simple. I just fell in love with this little elephant with the quill there, and then stamped out the ink pot. So he's got some ink to write with for his quill there, and then just did some pattern paper in the background. And then the sentiment there is from the Tiny Type set. Just added in a few raindrops and like a hexagon. I thought it'd be quite cute as a design element there. And so that was a look at the June 2020 release from Clearly Besotted. Like I said, they will be available to purchase from 8 PM British Summer Time in the Clearly Besotted shop, and also from Simon Says Stamp. I hope you're all keeping well and staying safe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.